Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving into a detailed review of the Lipo Manicure Set Professional Pedicure Kit. I purchased this set specifically to provide an honest and thorough review, especially after seeing some mixed opinions online. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, the packaging catches your eye. The set comes in a sleek, portable leather case, which looks quite luxurious at first glance. However, upon closer inspection, I noticed it's not genuine leather. It's a leather-look material, which is a bit of a letdown considering the advertising. Now, let's talk about the tools themselves. They're made of heavy-duty stainless steel, which sounds promising for durability. But after using them, I found the scissors barely up to the task. They're not as sharp as I'd hoped, struggling to cut cleanly through nails. It's a significant drawback for a manicure set. The design of the tools does have a unique touch, with a green color on the handles. However, the color application seems a bit rushed and doesn't blend seamlessly. It's a minor detail, but does affect the overall aesthetic appeal. I want to mention that I had a Lipo set last year, which I was really impressed with. So, my expectations were quite high for this one. Unfortunately, it doesn't quite measure up to the quality and performance of the previous set I owned. In terms of functionality, the set claims to be multifunctional, covering everything from hand care to facial care. While it does include a variety of tools, the lack of clear labels or instructions on their specific uses is a downside. It's not user-friendly, especially for those who are new to manicure and pedicure sets. After a few uses, I started to doubt the long-term durability of these tools. The non-flip handle design is a plus, but the overall build doesn't feel sturdy enough for regular use. The nail scissors, in particular, felt flimsy and didn't perform as expected. To wrap this up, the Lipo Manicure set certainly has its pros and cons. While the stainless steel build and unique design are pluses, the set falls short in terms of sharpness, authenticity, and durability. If you're considering purchasing this set, I hope my experience gives you a better insight into what to expect. That's all for today's review. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Don't hesitate to drop your questions or experiences with this product in the comments below. Until next time, stay well groomed, and I'll see you in the next video.